Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Ross. Today is April 2nd, which is Autism Awareness Day, which is why we're wearing our shirts. Now today for our lesson, you are able to participate with this lesson at home, or you can choose just to watch what we are doing. I'm going to be posting videos and photos of what is going on because this is not going to be a lesson that actually completes within the next couple of minutes. You're going to have to do some observations and write down what is happening. So for today, if you choose to participate, you will need
an egg, a
glass. You want it clear so that you can see,
and white vinegar, and a couple index cards.
Okay, so what we're going to do, you also are going to want a ruler. So I'm going to be doing little video clips, so I'm going to get ready to stop this one, but I'm going to show you that what I need you to do first is I want you to measure the length of the egg and the width of the egg. Okay, boys and girls, so now I have my ruler. I'm going to use the centimeter side. I have an index card. I have my egg and I have a pencil. Now I do have another index card off to the side. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to want to measure the length of your egg. So what I'm going to recommend is that you're lining it up and kind of taking a straight piece of paper. Mine's a little bent right now. But you're going to want to take a straight piece of paper to try to get it lined up. And then once when it's lined up, you can go over and see where the line or where the egg measures to. Okay, and then you can write that down on your paper. Now, I just took a picture so I know. And then you want to do the same for the width. Now, for the width, obviously there's a skinnier part up top, and then there's the thicker part in the middle towards the bottom, probably about 2/3 the way down from the egg. So I'm going to recommend that you go with the widest point of your egg and write down that measurement. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to get ready to get started. Looks like this one's about 4 centimeters. Okay. Okay, so now that we have our measurement of our egg, what we're going to need to do is put the egg gently inside of your glass container. You don't want to accidentally break it. Okay. Now, once when you have it inside of your cup, you're going to submerge the egg in the vinegar, which means that it needs to be completely covering the egg. Okay, so my assistant Huntley is going to help pour it. Okay, there we go. Now, as we just put the egg in the vinegar, I want you to do some observations. So over the next couple of days, you're going to want to write down what you see. Now this is a video of the egg right after we put it inside of the vinegar solution. As you can see, if you look closely at the egg, something's coming off of it. You see those bubbles? So that is an observation that you can write down. You could write down the size of the bubbles. Okay. You also could write down, how did that egg feel before you put it in the vinegar? Because after being in the vinegar, you never know, something might happen and it might change the feeling. Now this is a video of the top of the egg after we put it in the vinegar. Okay, kind of looks pretty cool. You can kind of see those bubbles coming up to the surface.